time.
All right, bud. We have our 4. I think last time, what did we get? We got like another Prince Adam or something, or like another Cringer, probably. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Cringer,
But-
yes. Cringer we got.
all right. So here are the 4 we have.
Yep. Today is
Which-
Christmas.
Mhm.
Well, in a few days is Christmas. But
Right.
my Christmas block is number 1.
Okay. Here we go.
Yes. Is it gonna be? It's gonna be.
All right. Let's hope that little Santa hat brings us good luck.
Mm-hmm. Who's it gonna be?
Prince Adam. Oh my God, there's so many of him. All right, another Prince Adam it is. So we go to our backpack. We've got 1 open, and now we have 3 of them here, and a He-Man.
Yeah. So 3.
5 Cringers, 3 Prince Adams, 3 evil-lyns.
Oh, there's 6 Cringers.
Well, this one up here too. Yes, yes. All right. Well, they're called commons for a reason. That's why they're common, and we keep getting a bunch of them. So I guess we will see how it goes. Now, I think we did get, I don't know which number we got today, but we do have a pretty low one, which is cool. All right. Well, that was it. Nice and quick. It's a Prince Adam, and we'll see what we have tomorrow. 3 to go. So that'll be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll finish out the.
Daddy,
Yeah.
is it strange that we hasn't got common tri-klops if they're common?
You know, it's
They're
strange to
common.
me, bud, but you
We
know,
should have like so many common tri-klops. I
Yeah.
think every single kind of tri-klops should be in the ultra grails because they're so hard to get.
that's what it's like. I know. And if you look here, so if we look at Prince Adam, you see it says they made 5,400 Prince Adams, and common Cringer 5,400, and common evil-lyn 5,400, which means they made 5,400 Triclopses, but none of them are in our collection so far. I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait and see until we can use these guys and trade them and play with them, and then figure out what to do with all of them.
Yeah, how they made how many uncommon triclopses did they make?
Common?
Yeah,
No, say
uncommon.
uncommon. They made 2,400 uncommons of everything. See, 2,400, 2,400, 2,400. And then the
So
rare, they only made 1,200.
so that how many? What about for the commons? How many did they make?
5,400 of each.
5,400.
So there's a lot of them out there.
Yeah, so there's 5,400 triclopses.
Yep. But none of them are in our collection yet. So we'll see.
No, but I'm pretty sure we will get them.
Yeah, we have to, right?
Yeah, I am Santa Claus.
You're Santa Claus. All right, cool, bud. Well, then we'll do the rest tomorrow. Well, the next one tomorrow.